we're moving. We're beating Hacker at his game. Don't tell me that he's trying to hack the motherboard. We'll get him every time. Across this world, freaky places that we've seen. We got the power of 1, 2, 3, 4. Running in the cyberchase, we'll meet him face to face. We'll stick together all the time. Adventures in cyberspace. The chase is on. Just wait and see why
Today's episode is Adonia Mashako pours apple juice on Sniffles/Grounded.
Hi, I'm Adonia Mashoko, and today, I'm going to pour apple juice on Sniffles, because he's a stupid blue armadillo, which I hate his show called Happy Tree Friends so much. Ha 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 ha. Oh, here he comes. Sniffles, I just poured apple juice on you. Isn't that funny?
No, that's not funny at all. Adonia Mashako, I could not believe that you poured apple juice on me, and now my glasses are blurry, thanks to you. That's it, go home right now while I have Lumpy to call your mom about this.
Oh gosh, I'm so busted once I get home.
When Adonia Mashako got home.
Adonia Mashoko, what on earth is your problem? You do not pour apple juice on Sniffles or anybody else. You know that pouring apple juice on someone is rude and disrespectful, and because of this, you are grounded 8 days. Go upstairs to your room right now and stay there until you die.
You mum for grounding me for no goddamn reason.